Imagine this, you are just driving your truck. No police checking, no toll staff checking, but suddenly you receive a challan. No argument, no human interaction, just a penalty straight to your phone. Welcome to E-Detention System 2025. This silent system is shaking the entire Indian logistics industry. It has no face, it doesn't shout orders, but it's still watching with high-tech eyes. From drivers to fleet owners, everyone are confused and worried. But still, the most important part is some people don't know why are they hit. So what is this? How does it work? And most importantly, how can you protect yourself from this? Across toll plazas in multiple states, AI-powered cameras has been installed. These cameras can scan your truck number plate automatically. They can automatically verify your fitness certificate, your pollution certificate, and also if your insurance to check if it's up to date. If even one of these documents is missing or expired, an automatic e-challan is generated. Without any cops, no argument, just a challan straight to your phone. Some recent issues. In Bihar, 80 crore fine has been issued in past few months. In Gujarat, truckers at toll in Vapi and Baroj are facing these issues daily. In Odisha, the system is live and auto-generating challans. In Rajasthan, if your number is not updated in your RC, you won't even be notified, but you will be fined. In Delhi NCR, this system is used to catch diesel trucks older than 10 years and petrol trucks older than 15 years. Now, how does this system work? FASTag and high-resolution cameras scan your number plate. Then directly, it connects to NIC's database. If your vehicle fails any test, like an outdated vehicle or an expired documents, fines have been put on spot, no question asked. What can truck owners do to be safe? Keep all your documents updated. Fitness, insurance, and also pollution certificate. Update your mobile number on your RC and keep the alerts on so that you can see where you have been fined. Use DigiLocker or M-Parivahan app to access your documents. If your truck is 10 to 15 years old, then start planning for an upgrade. How to check your document status in parivahan.government.in. Go to parivahan.government.in. Select your state and proceed. Click on Know Your Vehicle Details. Enter your vehicle number. Yes, government tech is a step in the right direction. Yet for logistics suppliers and also truck owners, it becomes an add-on responsibility. So be smart, stay updated, and save yourself from unnecessary fines. If you found this useful, share it to your driver community and keep everyone updated around you. Thank you for watching.